Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are Jazari Force from Jazari Innovation Club UTM. This is our video for SCBC competition initiated by Teknomarin Club UTM. Our group consists of 4 members, which is me, Afiq Rohaizam, Ubaidullah, Nasrullah Shukri and Nadzeera Adzra'ai. Without further ado, let's get started. Enjoy! Early design. Estimated dimension is 250mm x 150mm. Material used PVC board or foam board. Microprocessor used is Arduino ESP32. Motors is R300C DC motors. Power supply 9V and lithium-ion batteries. Work in progress. The first one on the left is how our board looks like. The second one on the middle is our circuit fabricated on a donut board. And the last one is our complete circuit image. This is our finished product. This is our programming codes. This is our controller design in the Blink application. Technical issues that might occur. To avoid leakage into the board that can lead into short circuit or damage to the circuit, we covered our board with flex tape. This is to ensure the board to be waterproof. To overcome this, we use plastic tubing to ensure the shaft only rotates within the plastic tubing. The plastic tubing really helps reducing the vibration of the shaft.
Okay, now we will test if the boat can float.
We can observe that our team boat can float successfully without any leakage. It is also stable as the base is in rectangular shape. The structure is also rigid as we use hot glue and super glue to assemble all the parts together.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, today we will try this boat. We will start our assessment by the first assessment, which is the instruction test. So for the instruction test, we will show how the propeller move. Okay, maybe you can show the controller. Okay, for the controller, we design it in Blink application. Okay, the boat will move forward, so we will demonstrate the forward movement. Okay, when the forward movement, the forward function is used, both of the propeller will turn clockwise, so it will give thrust force so that the boat will move forward. Okay, for the left and the right function, both of the propellers will turn opposite direction, and this will give the boat a thrust to move to the left or to the right. Okay. Now the last function is the backward function. Okay, for the backward function, the boat will turn anti-clockwise so that it will move backward. Okay, we will now conduct the second assessment, which is the straight line test. So my friend will show the stopwatch. My other friend will control the boat, and my friend over there will be the indicator for 2 meters. Okay. Now we will commence the test. 1, 2, 3. Stop. We will begin the timing test in 3, 2, 1. the second round. Round. Okay, and we are finished. Okay, dah. Okay, we will now begin the fourth test, which is the figure of 8 test. We will commence the test in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we are done. Apa?